welcome to Katrina's Creations. Today it is a knit crate unboxing. So yes, we have it right here. And let's get started. This is the August box and it's very pretty. I cheated and peeked already. So the color choices this time, the title is Glass Future. So you can see some of the colors. And let me show you what your options would have been. In the knit and crochet box, this would have been your option. So it's a green and a cream and a pink and a cream, and this one is like a blue and a cream. And then in the sock club, they were these three different selections. So I have this folded in half because the coupon codes are on the back, because they always give you a coupon code for downloadable patterns, and they also give you the coupon code for the sale that they have after they've released the boxes. So you can usually get them already marked down, and then you get another 50% or so off of that. So let's take a look and see what I got this month. So here it is, and I got, whoops, the paper's going. I got the blue, which actually has some purples to it. I'm calling it blue, but when I look at it in this light, it's actually purple. So there you can see it, and you all know how much I like purple. So yeah, when I looked at this in the living room, I thought it was blue. And I mean, some of it is a kind of a grayish purple, so it has kind of a blue color to it. This is called glazed. That's the type of yarn. It's 100% organic Pima cotton. Now Pima cotton is a higher quality than your regular cotton. You know, you have Egyptian cotton, and Pima cotton is one of the top types of cotton. It is a DK weight, and there are 275 yards per skein. And this is called the Cotton Basics Uru. Okay, so the color is called glazed. I had it all mixed up. And this is actually, this yarn comes from Peru, which a lot of their yarns for Knit Crate come from Peru. Peru is a big alpaca producer. So we got those, and they also sent a little extra, which is a pen, and it says Knit Crate on it. So yeah, little pen. That was the extra this month. Now let's take a peek at the patterns that you are able to make with these skeins of yarn. So the first one is the knit pattern. It is called City Lines, and it is by Rebecca McKenzie, who's also known as Raging Pearlwind. The crochet pattern for this yarn is called Vere by Brittany Garber, who's also known as Not Bad Brit. So those are the two patterns that go with this particular two skeins. And then they always send as well a pattern for the socks. So if you get the sock crate, you're also going to get the patterns for the two skein yarn. So the sock would have been, again, these colors, and you just get one skein. And so the sock patterns, the knit one is called Neon Rays by Ashley Ratnam, which is Studio 715. And it's funny, I actually might use that pattern pretty soon, because I need some little socks to wear inside my boots. I think I might use that pattern, because I don't like socks going up my leg. I just like the little ankle socks. So that's the knit pattern. And then the crochet pattern is called Skyscraper by Julie Sarah Desjardins, and she also is at crochet. So I thought I would also explain to you how Knit Crate works, because they've changed their pricing yet again. This time they actually came down a little bit in price. They were charging, like, I think it was $37.99 or $39.99 plus shipping. Well, they've now combined it. So the box that I get, which is the Knit and Crochet Club, is $39.99, and that includes your shipping unless you are outside the US. If you're outside the US, then it's $5 addition to that as a flat shipping fee. So anyway, the total for that is $39.99. For the box, you get two skeins of yarn and 2 patterns, a knit and a crochet pattern that will work with that yarn, as well as a knit and crochet sock pattern. So I thought I'd tell you about the other boxes, and then I'm going to let you know about the deal that's going on through Knit Crate right now. Okay, you can get the other crates that are available is the single skein monthly sampler. It would be, instead of 2 skeins of yarn, you get just 1 skein of yarn. You do get to choose the color you want. You get a choice of, how do they have it worded? Anything goes. In other words, you want to be surprised. Cool tones, which are more neutral colors. No, I forget. Anyway, you have a choice. You have a choice of Energize Me. That's one of them. Energize Me, which is a brighter color. And then you have one that is cool tones, and then you have one as a neutral. And you can change your colors from month to month. They give you a preview ahead of time and show you what the colors are going to look like. And then you can choose if you want the Energize Me one month, and the next month you see something in the cool tones that you like. You can choose from there. So you can swap back and forth month to month. Okay, so the single skein, like I said, is the same yarn. It's just 1 skein instead of 2. You still get the patterns and everything. Then there's the Sock Knit and Crate Monthly Club, which you get 1 skein of the sock yarn. And again, you get all 4 patterns, you know, that type of thing. Then there's a quarterly club. These are more, the quarterly clubs are more pricey because they are more expensive yarn. Yeah, the LL, which I have no idea what that stands for, but anyway, LL Yarn Co. Quarterly is $74.99. It includes an exclusive pattern for the yarn. It includes the yarn, it includes a knit and a crochet pattern and extras. Okay, and then there's the Malabrigo Quarterly, which is $54.99. Now, Malabrigo is you can go to other sites and buy Malabrigo as well. It is a very well-known yarn company, and that one they send you, it, like I said, it's the $54.99, and you get exclusive patterns that have been designed exclusively for that yarn. So those are the different crates that they offer. Now, of the 3 that I'm going to talk about would be the 3 cheaper ones, which would be the Knit and Crochet Club, which, like I said, is $39.99, and that includes your shipping. The single skein, which is $18.99, and the Sock and Knit Crate, or Knit and Crochet Monthly Club, which is $29.99. Those 3, they are offering a deal right now where you buy one, get one per month. So what happens, it's only for new subscribers. So if you've already subscribed to Knit Crate, this isn't going to work for you. But if you're a new subscriber to Knit Crate, you pay for your first month. They send you a coupon to apply to your second month of yarn. You pay for your third month, and they send you a coupon to apply for the next month of yarn. So it's basically, you buy the first month, get the second month free, buy the third month, get the fourth month free. Which actually is not that bad of a deal, unless, you know, if you continue to keep the subscription after 4 months, then of course it's going to be $39.99 a month or whatever box you choose. But if you use this as an example, the box I get, $39.99, and you're paying roughly for 4 months, you're actually paying for 2 of the months. So that comes out to $80 roughly. It's like $79.98, might as well say $80. Divide that by 4 months and you're getting, for 20, it basically breaks down to $20 a month, and you're going to get 2 skeins of yarn each month. And so the yarn breaks down to, for 4 months worth of yarn, you're going to have 8 skeins total. Over $80, you're paying $10 a piece for these. And you're getting a total of 16 patterns. 8 sock patterns and 8 patterns that will go with the project you're making. So when you look at it that way, that's not a bad deal. You can cancel at any time, so you can always give it a try for 4 months, and if you decide it isn't for you, you can always cancel it. I've already been a Knit Crate subscriber, and I canceled my box when their prices went up. I would love to actually participate in this one because it's actually a pretty good deal. However, I've already been a member of theirs, so that wouldn't be right for me to do that, so I won't. But yeah, for those of you who have not participated, if you'd like to get some luxury yarn for at least 4 months and give it a try, you do need to use a coupon code with this, KCreations20, in order to get that buy one, get one discount. And like I said, you have to pay for the first month, then they send you the coupon. You pay for the 3rd month, and then they send you a coupon. So yeah, if you're interested, give it a try, and then if you don't like it, it's very easy to cancel. So yeah, no questions asked. No, they're not high pressure salesmen or anything like that. So yeah, and they do run monthly sales, as far as once the yarn has been, the crates have been sold, like all sent out or whatever, what they have left over of that yarn, they put at a discount price. You can buy that yarn even if you aren't a Knit Crate member, but you don't get the deep discount. They actually give you a coupon code that lets you know what the discount's going to be, what the coupon code for that discount, and it takes it even off more. So I've gotten skeins of yarn for somewhere between $6 and $8 before. So yeah, they do run some decent sales at times, and yeah, so it's entirely up to you, but you know, it's definitely worth it for the 4-month trial if you want to do that. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye everybody.